Yo, YouTubers, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to bypass copyright on YouTube. Like if you want to, if you have a copyright claim from like a Christian record label, a rap record label, any kind of record label, and you use a song, I can tell you how to bypass copyright if you didn't know, and there's a way to bypass the copyright. So go right here to Creator Studio once you're at your channel, or you can mouse up here and then select Creator Studio down here. Okay, but I'm gonna go right. No, I don't want. I'm gonna go right here. There we go, Creator Studio. I did not click. Okay. Or I want to go right here to, oh wait, okay. So once you're at Creator Studio, search for a video that you have a copyright claim for. I have a copyright claim for Saving Me by Riley Clemens, so I'm going to do Saving Me, and that's a Christian song, okay? And it's loading, it'll pop up, see right here, and it says, includes copyrighted content. Don't click on this video or the video title or edit. Click on includes copyright title. Includes copyrighted content. Okay, click on that. Yeah, 64 views. Okay, so it says ads might appear on your video. Copyrighted content was found in your video. The claimant is allowing their content to be used in your YouTube videos. However, ads might appear on it. Viewing restrictions, none. Monetization, monetized by claimant. If you agree with these conditions, you don't have to do anything. That means if you agree with these conditions, you don't have to do anything. That means you don't have to delete your video. Okay, so it says right here, details, content, Saving Me, Riley Clemens, sound recording. 1 second to 3 minutes, 3 seconds. And it says claimant, UMG on behalf of Capital Christian Music Group, and it says policy monetized by copyright owner. And here's where the magic happens. You can either remove song or file a dispute. If you want to remove song, that means the audio isn't on there anymore. Only the lyrics will be on there. Okay, so let's file a dispute. Okay, and here's where it is. So here's where it should take you. If it doesn't take you here, then I don't know what you're doing wrong. But anyways, I believe this copyright claim is not valid because I own the CD and DVD or bought the song online. I'm not selling the video or making any money from it. I gave credit in the video. The video is my original content and I own all of the rights to it. I have a license or permission from the proper rights holder to use this material. My use of the content meets the legal requirements for fair use or fair dealing under applicable copyright laws. The content is in the public domain or is not eligible for copyright protection. Okay, so what you want to choose is, you can choose anything, but don't choose that one because I chose it before. And let's see, choose, I have a license. Okay, continue. When you click one, click continue. I have a license or permission from the proper rights holder to use this material. If you have permission from the proper rights holder or have purchased a license, you may dispute this claim. I am sure that I have a license or permission and I want to dispute this claim. Click the checkbox or it won't let you continue. Click continue. Okay, now this is the next step. This is where it will take you after when you click the checkbox. Okay, reason for dispute. Claims to dispute. Riley Clemens, Saving Me, sound recording, administered by UMG. Reason for dispute. The video uses the copyrighted material at issue, but with the appropriate license or written permission from the copyright owner. Please explain briefly. you cannot overuse this dispute process. You can only use it when you have a, I don't know, you can't, like I just said, you can't do it. Okay, whatever. Let's see. I'm going to explain briefly. I want this song, without the copyright claim. That's what I'm explaining. I want to use this song. I want to use this song without the copyright claim. I have a good faith belief that the claims described above have been made in error, and I have the rights necessary to use the content of my video for the reasons I have stated. I have not knowingly made any false statements, nor am I intentionally abusing this dispute process. You cannot abuse this dispute process. You cannot, in order to interfere with the rights of others. I understand that filing fraudulent disputes may result in termination of my YouTube account. I meant filing, or whatever that is. Okay, you have to click the checkbox. I understand that my video will be viewable by the claimants so that they can review my dispute. Click the checkbox. Type your full name to serve as your electronic signature. Okay. Disputes will be submitted to the copyright holders listed above. YouTube does not review copyright disputes. Now, when you're done with this page, click Continue. And then it will take you to this. Please verify the following information. Claims to dispute. Riley Clemens saving me. Sound recording administered by UMG. Reason for dispute. This video uses the copyright material at issue, but with the appropriate license or written permission from the copyright owner. Explanation. I forgot to put 2. I want to use this song without the copyright claim. I have a good faith belief that the claims described above have been made in error, and I have the rights necessary to use the contents of my video for the reasons I have stated. I have not knowingly made any false statements, nor am I intentionally abusing this dispute process in order to interfere with the rights of others. I understand that filing fraudulent disputes may result in termination of my YouTube account. I understand that my video will be viewable by the claimants so that they can review my dispute signature. Now I put my name. Okay. Now click Submit Dispute. And YouTube says, are you sure you want to dispute the claim? If you want to dispute it, click OK. Okay, and I clicked OK. So, now it's loading. Yay! Now, dispute successfully submitted. You will be notified with the outcome of the dispute. I have disputed the song. So, dispute in progress. Claimant response by April 22nd, 2019. Wow. Okay. April 22nd. So that's it for this video. If you like this video and want to see more, then hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I have more YouTube tips and tricks for you. Okay, so like, comment, subscribe. Bye.